CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 5.4 Explain Basic Data Backup Concepts. Let's start with a situation no one wants to experience. Imagine all your important files suddenly disappear. Your photos, your documents, your critical business records, your entire database, gone in an instant. That's why backups are so important. A backup is your digital safety net. It's a way to protect the data you care about and ensure that, even if something goes wrong, you have a way to get it all back. Think of it as a kind of insurance policy for your data. Now, what types of data should you back up? That depends on your needs, but there are some common categories. File backups are the most basic. These include specific documents, photos, or folders that you choose to protect. Critical data refers to files that are essential to your work or personal life, like financial records or business documents, where loss could cause real damage. If you're working with applications that store information about users or customers, you'll also want to back up the entire database. And then there's the system backup. This creates a full snapshot of your entire system, including the operating system, settings, applications, and files. It allows for a complete restore if your computer ever fails entirely. Backing up is only half the process. You also need to be able to restore your data. Restoring means taking a backup and using it to recover lost or damaged files, or even rebuild an entire system. In some cases, restoring data also involves importing it into an application or database. The import process allows you to bring data back into a system in a usable format. On the flip side, the export process is often used to create the backup in the first place. Exporting data means taking information from a program or database and saving it in a format that can be stored or moved elsewhere for safekeeping. Together, backing up, exporting, importing, and restoring form a complete data protection cycle. Now let's talk about where backups are stored. There are two main categories: local storage and cloud storage. Local storage means saving your backup to a physical device you own or control, such as a flash drive, an external hard drive, or an SD card. These backups are usually quick to access and don't require an internet connection. That's what we call offline availability. But if the device is damaged or lost, the backup goes with it. Cloud storage, on the other hand, keeps your backups on remote servers provided by companies like Microsoft, Amazon, or Google. The big advantage here is access. With an internet connection and the right permissions, you can get to your data from anywhere, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. The downside is that if your internet goes down, you might temporarily lose access to your data. Many people use a combination of both local and cloud backups to cover all their bases. Local backups offer speed and offline access. Cloud backups provide convenience and protection against local device failure. Together, they form a strong, flexible backup strategy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.